Welcome to Epoch Trades, where we trade the new age. Today we're going to be covering key levels on the monthly and weekly time frame for Harmony. So, as always, our key level criteria, we look for swing highs and swing lows, multiple rejections, acted as support and resistance, drastic moves away, obvious to spot, and recently formed. So, let's go ahead and hop right in. And the first key level we can plot is our monthly swing high here. And we always color coordinate our key levels to the time frame we're working in. So we also notice another key level here where we see price come up, hit, reverse, and then as we see price break this level, we see a pullback and retest of the same key level before price reverses drastically to the downside. Now, we also notice a key level here where price comes down, hits, and reverses drastically. Now we can also plot in our monthly swing low as the lowest point price has reached. And our most previous support level here was also a resistance level in the past, making this a very key level as we have both reactions acting as resistance and support. So let's go ahead and hop to the weekly. Now, here on the weekly, the first key level we can notice is right here. So we can see as price came down, it came up, hit, and reversed drastically. And as we see price come back up, we see it reacting to the same area as price. So one thing to keep in mind is that we respect key levels as zones. As price does not stop on an exact spot, price reacts to the area of the key level. As we can see, price didn't fully reach this key level here, but it reacted to the same area. We can also go ahead and plot a key support level right here. As we see price hit multiple times, acting as support. And we see a reaction to the same key level here. So, what else do we see? We notice multiple reactions acting as resistance and support to this key level right here. We can also go ahead and plot our weekly swing high here. So, looking at our chart, these are all of the key levels plotted on the monthly and weekly time frame. Psych! We have more levels right here. So, what do we see? Oops. We see price come down, hit, and reverse. We see price reacting to the same level. We see reactions as resistance. We see reactions as resistance before price broke through, acting as support here.